Hello, I'm Mr. Juan and this is Strumming Through the Americas. Hello, today we're going to learn the strumming pattern for the song Guantanamera. Let's review the chords first. C, F, G, and it goes back to F. And those chords repeat through the whole song. The strumming pattern is going to be a downstroke and a new thing, which is going to be a stop. For a stop, what you're going to do is you're going to utilize this part of your hand and you're going to use it to stop the sound for the strings. So when you play the chord first, then you stop. You see? So play and stop. Play and stop. So let's do it through the whole song. C, F, G, stop, F, C, stop, F, G, stop, F. And that's it.